Welcome to RepoFlicks, a new kind of social feed built entirely for open source projects. This is where code meets creativity, and contributors get the spotlight they deserve. Let's walk through how it works. Start by heading to repoflicks.com. Click Sign in with GitHub. RepoFlicks only accesses your public repositories. Nothing private, nothing sensitive. Once you're in, you'll land on the main feed. Here, you'll find projects from developers all over, shared in a visual scrollable format. Take a minute to explore. As you scroll, you'll see real projects with real stories behind them. If you like what someone built, you can vote on it with a single click. If you want to share your own work, just hit Submit Project at the top. From there, select one of your public GitHub repos. Next, you'll be asked to add a description. Keep it short and clear. Then choose a category like Web App, AI, or Dev Tool, and add some tags to help others find it. You can also add links, maybe to a demo, website, or documentation, though that part is optional. Once done, move to the next panel. This is where you can upload screenshots or add a YouTube video to showcase your project visually. When everything's ready, hit Submit, and RepoFlicks will take you straight to your project's page. Your project is now live on the feed, ready to be discovered. Next, you can visit the Explore page. Here, you'll find every project on RepoFlicks in one view. You can sort, browse, and open any project by clicking View Details. There's also a search bar, handy for finding projects by name, tag, or category, and that's the experience. From discovery, to sharing, to connecting with others around what they're building, RepoFlicks makes open source feel more open. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you upload next.